Now that inspections are completed, it's time for the mortgage contingency. An appraiser will need to access the home to value the home to ensure that the collateral is comfortable for the bank. That process typically only takes 20 to 30 minutes, and normally you can be home during it. Once the buyer receives their mortgage commitment, it's time to pack and move. All their contingencies have been met, inspections and mortgage commitment, so now you're 99% there. It's just to pack, talk to your attorney, prepare for the closing, and get out. Your agent will have recommendations on movers and all the utilities that you need to cancel to ensure that once your home is closed, you're leaving it behind. Hopefully this has given you insight in the steps it takes to sell your home. Be sure to reach out to a trusted real estate professional who can help you every step of the way.